Think you know the world? Here are 3 facts that sound fake, but they're totally true. In Tokyo, 6-year-old kids take the train alone. It's the safest big city in the world. And independence starts early in Japan. Australia has over 10,600 beaches. If you visited one per day, it'd take 29 years to see them all. Talk about a never-ending vacation. There's a place in Canada where gravity is weaker. Yup, in Hudson Bay, you actually weigh a tiny bit less. Science still doesn't fully agree why. Crazy, right? For more weird but true facts, just hit that follow.